Guys, I have a quick video for you guys. Now the speakers that I put on this Dell monitor are pretty crappy. I put some 0.25 watt drivers in the back here. There's one driver there. There's one driver there. Sounds pretty poor as you can see, but at least I have a bit of sound on that. Now this one, the Packard Bell one over here. So there's my Samsung TV. The Packard Bell one over here. That one is slightly better. I have 2 watt drivers on there. Two 2 watt drivers. Apparently this thing has 4 on it. See one driver here with its 9-inch closure. One driver there. The wires are tucked there. Through the stand. A little cable managing. I must say the 2 speakers in the back, that looks pretty fun. And they come here out of the feet with a little speaker wire so you can do some kind of amp. So you don't have to clutter around a bunch of freaking speakers on your little desk. So yeah, looks pretty mean like that.